Good morning from Mick Flanagan and Jean in the Philippines. Today is the second day of lockdown in Butuan city. Second day of lockdown, and my true love said to me, "We put your passport in the washing." Oh dearie me. Yes, so bad news. I have a damaged passport. We're very careless. It's in a pocket because we went to immigration to get a visa a few days back before the quarantine. So my picture now looks like I'm a ghost. I don't think it's coming back, that. Very faded. So next we will go to immigration again and say, "Help, what can we do? The passport is damaged." I think this will involve getting in touch with Manila for damaged passport. Maybe it will involve going to Manila. No flights there yet.
We will see what the immigration will tell us.
Yeah.
But I think it's not a big damage.
If you can't travel, they can't see your photo very clearly, you know, it's very faint. Looks like a ghost.
It can see in the video.
Maybe. The other thing, depending what they tell us in immigration, we'll go to the airport and ask if they can put the passport through and see if it works. But we need further advice anyway. But we were getting by in our quarantine nicely till we found that in the washing machine this morning.
Yeah, I think it's...
All the visas are fine, look. There's me, visa till 2nd of October 2020.
I think we forget that. I think our mind is...
Other things.
Yeah, thinking of something, on that time.
What you're thinking? Pansit Canton?
Pansit Canton. We're in a hurry because lockdown, something like that. So we don't need to do your visa, and then we need to do groceries, and it's plenty in our mind. It's careless, really. We didn't check.
Anyway, we were drying this in the sun, but as you can see, we ran out, getting even more wet in the rain.
It's raining now.
Raining heavy.
And the second day of blackout, it's heavy rain.
So take care wherever you are. Look after your passport. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.